So today's video is a little different. We're house shopping! Welcome back, guys, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do lifestyle and beauty here on this channel. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then you can hit the subscribe button below and let's jump into this video. Guys, I'm so excited because the time has come to start the home buying process again, but this time it's different. So originally I wasn't going to document this, but I want to share it with you guys because the information can be helpful for people whenever they go on that journey. I know they look at videos and different things to kind of help them along and to decide and learn new things about the process. But then I also wanted to be able to document it to look back on it as well. So if you're interested in following along with this journey, then keep it locked right here. Let's get right into it. Now my style is traditional. I love traditional with a hint of contemporary. But I am really been partial lately to contemporary modern / farmhouse. So contemporary modern farmhouse, perfect. 300,000 to 400,000. That is a very competitive price range, and the market on top of that is very competitive because interest rates are very low because the pandemic and the economic situation as a result. And I happen to be in an already competitive situation because of the area that I am looking in. There's a list of things that you want to check off, and so here are my non-negotiables. Great community, top rated schools. I'm looking for basically a single family home. I want it to be new construction. I want it to be 1 to 1.5 stories. I don't really like 2 stories, but I love half stories. Like I love having stairs where you can walk up and have like a loft or an office or a game room or a media room. I want it to be an open floor plan. I want my kitchen to be white and bright with an island. An island is a must. I want wood flooring or wood-like flooring. I want a gray tone color palette because you guys, if you watch my channel, you know I love gray. I need a space for a home office because I do work from home, and it needs to have a walk-in pantry and a walk-in laundry room. I've toured lots of homes and I've seen a lot of homes that have just like a laundry room but not an actual laundry room that you can walk into, like just the folding doors, or you open the doors and there's your washer and dryer. I want to be able to walk into my laundry room. Same thing with the pantry. Walk-in is a must. It doesn't have to be huge, but I need to be able to walk in it. I must have a fireplace and I must have a bathtub in the master. You guys would be so amazed at how fireplaces and bathtubs in the master bathroom are becoming like not even a thing anymore. Like a lot of builders are building homes where there's only a very huge shower in the master, or there's no fireplace. Like it is really hard to find both together in a new home construction in the price range that I'm looking in. So just a few things about me. I'm not a first-time home buyer. I have purchased a resale before. I lived there, renovated the kitchen, and then sold it. But I have never bought a new construction home. So it's kind of like first time all over again because buying a new construction is very different from buying a resale. Like new construction is a whole nother process. Like you gotta buy a lot to pick the structural upgrades. You have to pick the interior design elements that you want inside of the house. It's a whole thing. Now, I will have you know that I have seriously considered 3 different smaller cities within the area that I am looking in, and I've considered 3 different builders. Like seriously considered, because I've looked at so many, and seriously have considered 3 different actual homes. So let me show y'all what I've been looking at and point out like what I like about each one. And then if you guys want to see what I chose, stay tuned.
it. I have officially signed the contract, submitted my earnest money for my new house. So this is a new build, new construction. It's gonna take 6 to 8 months to build because of building material shortages during the pandemic, but this is the lot. I'm really excited about it. I've bought a resale before, but I've never bought a new construction home. But new construction is not new to me because I come from a family of custom home builders. So I'm excited to now be able to do that for myself. Nothing but trees out here.
So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Again, if you want to follow along in this journey, hit the subscribe button below, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. So let's get